Protein, protein, protein. Why protein are essential? How we digest protein and how we consume protein in a day. So protein is very essential in our daily routine. And how is it essential? Because we our body is like building blocks. So we do need for our building blocks the protein. We used to take from our diet, from the dairy products and all that. And what I'm showing you today is a plant protein, completely vegetarian, Nutrilite. It comes as a 450 gram, and it can family pack. It can over 3 years old kids can take it. Protein should be take according to the person weight. You can take like if you are 60 kg, 132 pounds you are, so you can take 0.5 gram to 1 gram, and according to the weight. And it's really essential. It's keep you full for longer time. It's very good for diabetic patient as well. It's not good for heart transplant or kidney transplant, and these kind of patient definitely not to be recommended. But it's good for diabetic patient because they keep them full for longer, so they don't wasting their insulin sensitivity. So they don't keep consuming on again and again, keep getting hungry, so they feel full. And it's helping them to keep their insulins, they're not wasting their insulin, because every time we eat, our insulin come to get the food, and they come with the proper like soldier, like, here you go, either you eat one almond, either you eat something, one thing, the whole force gonna come insulin as a normal. That's why I do like to be eat when I hungry, and I don't keep munching again and again, because that effect on my insulin sensitivity. But I'm not diabetic, but it is do affect on hormones. Insulin is a hormone as well. So that's the protein. We do two type of Nutrilite protein. One is thin, other one is hydrolyzed whey protein, and that comes as a 28 gram. It's called high protein, and that one come as a family. For the kids can take it on the chapati, either they can put on as a soup on lentil, they can put it on the smoothies as well. It's unflavored, no sugar at all, but it's definitely give you very beneficial 9 amino acid. That's why I try to say protein is essential our body. It's giving us 9 amino acids to our essential. Essential means is essential. It's definitely you need it. Your body cannot produce it. So it's they do with the soya, peas and wheat, pure organics from the sustainable farming. And it's very like essential for kids, for the family these days, because of the 9 amino acids we needed. And it's proper like a body cycle. In the body cycle we do need a protein in our diet. For the body cycle we do need a good fat in the like just like omega-3. For the body cycle we do need a daily multivitamin. If we cannot keep skipping the meal, keep no eating on time, because lifestyle do matter in our process. Lifestyle is always matter. Everything's matter on the lifestyle. If your lifestyle is something is skipping, missing, not taking the variety of food involving in your diet, if you even not having the appetite to eat that much, why we need to make this appetite to eat that much? Because the food is all around us, chemicals. After 5 times the spray has been done in the farm while the modern farming, and so we don't getting that pure. So we need to be eat 5 to 9 bowls. In the beginning was so pure, whatever we eat even in the one time we finish the all RDA of the according to our per routine, whatever the molecules we need for the day, we getting, our bodies getting when the food was very pure. And now is we struggle. That's why we do need a pure food supplements, and that's why we need to, for our cycle, our body blocks protein. And other issue is with the protein, some people say we not able to digest. So consuming protein is a different thing, observing protein is a different thing, digesting protein is a different thing. Then you do need a certain kind of enzymes. You can say apple cider vinegar is quite natural way for any digestive issues, to to break the fat storage. Other thing is beaten HCl, pepsin. Pepsin is very good to break the protein. So the people problem is not, protein is not uh, digesting. They scared from the protein is not digesting. Problem is, if its digestion happen, that means is you don't have the full acid to digest the protein. For to get this one, you need to go for beaten HCl pepsin in enzymes, digestive enzymes, include in your daily routine. Then you will get the full benefit of, for maintaining your muscles, you do need a protein. If you know go to the gym just sitting maintaining, if you go to the gym, then you do need a protein extra more. If you're doing weightlifting, then you need a more protein in your body, because and weed is a best is a best thing to, you know, it's the best thing how we consuming in our daily routine diet. I forgot what I was gonna say, so sorry for that. And I was just gonna say, yes, whenever is a muscle get breakage, need a recovery and all that, and we trying to get a lot of pain, cramps and all that, we do need to protein in our diet, because day by day it can decrease the bone density, it can decrease, we do get a bone loss and we get super happy, oh I lost the weight, I lost the weight. Some people get to lose a weight with water retention, they lose it with bone loss as well, and they get congratulation for that. But it's very hard to make muscles, because we women don't have these testosterone. The man's makes very quickly muscle, we no make easily. So protein, women do need a protein, man's definitely need it, because they make their muscle very quickly as well, for maintaining, for the you know, for the, it's just for our body blocks, and this is to just our life cycle, so need a fat for that. So I'm over with this, and you understand, if you're getting farting, a bloating stomach, it's no problem with the protein. The problem is, yes, you can avoid certain kind of proteins, where these days it's come with the hydrolysis proper, like digestive, so many proteins they're trying to put MCT as well, coconut tricycle, because kind of healthy fats on it, so it will easy to absorb and digest as well. And if it's still a problem, please go for beaten HCl pepsin, and have a look on any other site like Amazon and all that, you will find out these enzymes. And but don't leave because it's not digesting you. You do need essential in your body. You will understand later on when you get older age why the bones are need for our body. In the beginnings you might be ignore it, but later on you will find out, when you are like 80 to 90 years old, climbing, hiking, going for cycling, going for long swimming, then you will understand why protein is essential. Then you will understand why healthy fat essential. Then you will understand how we need a healthy food supplement for our daily lifestyle need. If we get any lose the gap in our body of any nutrition, here is the problem start. Then the start getting problem. Google it. Lack of vitamin D, what problem started? Lack of B12, what kind of deficiency of B12? What kind of vegetarian people get more B12 low? What problem started when we get even magnesium minerals from your body? Use Himalaya salt, इसको 82 minerals, इसको 3 type of magnesium on it. So don't just go for one iodine salt, go for 2 type of salt in your kitchen cupboard. Is Himalaya salt is very it's got 82 type of minerals. That's why I sometimes put a little bit pinch on my water bottle, purified water bottle, to get these minerals in the body. Because we try to get a less salt in our body, and we reduce. So salt ratio on the cell, potassium is here and the sodium is here. So you always need a 4:1 ratio of your cells in your body for you. When potassium get reduced, we need around 4,000 damaged fruit and vegetable in the body. And because we no one able to make 4 gram of tablet of potassium in as a food supplement. So potassium when reduce over in the body, and we get to eat less, that's why the cell gets swollen, that's why we look like a water retention happen in our body. So that's the science as well behind it. So here is I'm finished now, and thank you so much for listening. And to order these products, or you want to have more information, you can go to my description box, get the business link, and you can go to my email address to ask any question about it. And I'm very passionate about my health and my family health and the people around you. I wanted to serve as much as I can, and because I saw people pain who have such a beautiful lovely life, but they are keep struggling with the little thing, and that little things become a bigger diseases. So I wanted to give this awareness to everyone. Okay, so that's why I'm very passionate about in food supplement, in nutrition industry, and in the health industry. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video. And thank you so much. Keep watching, keep leaving me any question, leave the message on my email ID. Anything information you really like the products, you can go for to my business link and have a look and register as a customer and go through as you go. Okay, take care and see you on the next video.